Horsetail Falls?
No, I'm good. Thanks. Uh-huh. Yeah, can I place an order for to go?
Okay, what you like?
2 carne asada tacos, no tomatoes, and a Coca-Cola.
Okay, something else?
I'll be there in about 10 minutes.
Okay, what's your name?
Michael.
Okay, Michael. See you in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Alright.
What's going on, everybody? Oregon Motorcycle back today on a beautiful Saturday morning. It's almost afternoon. We're going to the best place, in my opinion, to get some tacos right now. And I'm gonna meet my good buddy Kevin with the 390 Adventure there at Super Torta. If you guys are ever in Oregon City, stop by Super Torta and get a couple tacos. Or if you like burritos better, they have killer burritos too. Really good Mexican food on the authentic side. So we're gonna go out today. As you can see, the skies are looking much better. You can actually see clouds and sunshine today. Most of the smoke's gone. The air quality level is really good. I think it's in the 30s or something right now. So I have no clue what we're gonna do today or where we're gonna go. So you guys can sit back and enjoy our little Saturday afternoon adventure. Actually, I guess it is afternoon. It's 1 o'clock. That's what I get for sleeping in. So yeah, guys, a couple new things. Some of you guys have noticed that I got a limited supply of t-shirts on sale right now. If you guys are interested in picking up an Oregon Motorcycle t-shirt, you can click the link down below in the description. And I've also set up a Patreon account. I'm not really sure what direction I'm going to go with that yet. Comment below if you guys have any suggestions of how I should work that. And of course, you guys, there's Amazon links to everything down below. Not everything. But most of the stuff I use, most of the stuff I get asked about most of the time, like these hand guards and my USB chargers and my phone mount and that kind of thing. I think there's even some GoPro stuff in there, maybe. So yeah, let's get on the Super Torta and get some tacos. No, I'm good. Thanks. Uh-huh.
So where do you want to go?
I was going to ask you the same thing. I don't care, really. I wish we could go to Estacada and see all that stuff, but it's still all blocked off. And I went through, they have a, what was that, Clearwater Road opened up now, so I cruised through there yesterday and I got to see some burn stuff, but some of that stuff over there is still blocked off. I heard Tillamook's all open, and there's a road that goes all the way from Highway 6 all the way to the coast, but you know, that's a long day. But I'll do whatever. I'm down to do whatever, dude, so it doesn't matter. Or we can go see how far south we could go. It's up to you. I'll do whatever. I don't care. I got the drone, I got video cameras, and a motorcycle. I'm gonna have to get some gas, I know that.
Probably something short for today.
That's cool.
Maybe tomorrow, do something a little longer.
Yeah, whatever's clever. Whatever.
Could go up like Crown Point or something.
Where's that?
Vista House, Crown Point.
Oh, hell yeah, let's go there. I've been wanting to go there all year. I haven't been there all year, dude.
In the gorge.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I think that's open.
Yeah, that should be open for sure. I've been seeing a lot of pictures from there lately. Even all through the fires, it was open. Big, bad, heavy duty. I don't know what I can do here. I don't know if I'm going to make this. an empty tank, so it pops up easy. I just suck at doing wheelies though, so.
Well, this bike has like no low-end torque, so.
Oh, somebody asked me today if you put a lower gear on it yet.
No. Probably not going to. I like my speedometers to be accurate.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you. You could do that speedometer healer stuff, but whatever. Cornholio Championships.
Did you see this right here? This shop says Blue Ox axe throwing.
Right here?
Coming soon. Yeah.
On the corner? Is that what they're doing? Really? It's that big?
No, behind it.
Oh, I was wondering what they're going to do with this corner building here.
Oh, I need to clean off my helmet.
Hi. I have gas too.
Oh, are you gonna back it in? Gonna be fancy?
Yeah, it's easy enough to do. Cool guys over here, they took up like 5 parking spots. Oh, I'm not supposed to use that word, right? Been using that word a lot lately. Looking Indian there. Alright guys, we just stopped at the Cycle Gear, taking a look at some stuff. I'm looking at maybe getting some new pants here for the winter time. Some cool bikes here. Got the Ducati Multistrada. I got some kind of modern old bike there. Ducati Monster. This looks like a new one. And this Indian Scout looks pretty sweet too. I like the looks of this bike here a lot. Alright guys, we're going to make our way on up to the Vista House. Hey, do me a favor, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Look at my reflection, that's me. Maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. You know, I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, which is just a couple months away. It's going to come up quick, and I need all you guys' help to hit that 6,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year.
What are you saying about me?
Oh. Talking about your brand new shiny skid plate. Gonna go break it in right now. Hopping some curbs. It's like a fun bike.
A Multistrada.
Yeah. Looks like it would ride 2 people really good.
Yeah.
Like perform really good with 2 people.
Ridden 2 up on this one a couple times. It's not that bad.
I rode my roommate on this the other day to go take him to get his car. Everything's all good riding 2 up. It's just the stopping. I don't like feeling the weight of the other body on me when you're stopping and you got all that, you know. I told him, I was like, dude, hold on to the bars behind here. It'd probably be better because then I wouldn't feel his weight and he could brace his weight against the frame. And he was like, no, I'll hold on to you. You know, I don't know if he was scared or what.
Back around here. Ready?
Yep.
Right somehow if it doesn't have bird signals.
There's some kind of Bluetooth thing. Because they make some boots. 1,000 miles on my tires.
Wow. I came up here on my 700 like 2 years ago when this was all, there was still snow and ice and stuff on the ground.
Nice.
That was interesting. Still closed off. Yep, it is.
Oh, they don't let you drive around it anymore?
No, it's closed off.
Why is that?
I don't know. Yeah, no more motorcycle parking.
Alright guys, we're up here at the Vista House, Crown Point State Scenic Corridor. It's beautiful, awesome, amazing views up here. I hope you guys enjoyed those drone shots. We're gonna head on down and see if we can go down this mountain, hill, whatever you want to call it, and see if we can go to Multnomah Falls, and I can show you guys Multnomah Falls. And I might even pop the drone up there at Multnomah Falls depending on this rain. It's starting to rain on us right now, kind of, sprinkling at least. So we're gonna skedaddle down here. This road is awesome to do when it's dry and there's no traffic, which means you basically got to come up here like first thing early in the morning, because there's some amazing twisties here, but we're gonna hit traffic, so it's not gonna matter. All right.
Yep.
Destination Multnomah Falls.
These are waterproof.
Oh, sprinkles come out and you gotta get the waterproof gloves on. Jeez.
You know how it be. All right, let's get out of here before that. Gotta get used to the gloves.
Already leaves starting to pack up.
Yeah.
They're a little slippery.
Yep. crap in the road. Jesus.
That dude have a motorcycle helmet on?
I was watching the car. And there's the traffic.
See my visor's fogging up right now. I had to give it a crack.
Dude, I don't know what it is about this bike, but people always pull over.
It's my exhaust, dude. They're like, what the f is behind us? Nice waterfall there.
Yeah. This is no parking. This is closed. Yeah, this is all closed off.
Oh, they want you to park in the parking lot. That's in the bridge.
Yeah. No parking.
Well, at least it's open. That's good.
This is all closed off too. It shows what their priorities are. Vista House is closed, but they don't make any money from Vista House.
Yeah.
Multnomah Falls is open because that's the most popular tourist attraction in Oregon.
And they're selling stuff there. Isn't that a resort too? You can stay there, right?
I think it used to be, but I don't think you can stay there anymore.
Okay.
It's all like a restaurant, gift shop, and stuff now.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say there's a restaurant there too, I believe. I've only been there a couple times and actually got out and walked around, you know. All right, guys, since we couldn't stop and get any aerial views, I'm gonna show you some aerial views that I had right now from an old video back in the day. So these shots right here are from probably 4 or 5 years ago of the Multnomah Falls. Check it out. You can totally see where everything's burned.
Yeah. Pretty amazing that the lodge didn't burn down.
Mm-hmm.
Horsetail Falls?